What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send Robux to friends on mobile. So sending Robux to your friends in mobile is really easy. You just need to set up a few things here. Now, the person that should be setting this up is the person that will be receiving the Robux. So, the person that will receive the Robux here, we'll need to go to their account here, and then you need to go to the bottom right of their account and you go to more, and you want to look for the create button. Let's go and press on it. Now, in Create, you want to access one of your creations or your places. So you want to go and click on the top left here. So it's the 3-bar icon, and you want to go and choose the option for creations. Now, you want to access one of them. So, for example, I have this place here. Let's go and press on it. And what we need to do is we want to go and scroll down a bit, and we want to go and add a pass for it. So let's go and click on the 3-bar icon at the top left again, and you want to look for the option here for passes. Open it up, and we want to add a new pass. Let's go and click on create pass, and you just need to add whatever pass you want to use for this one. Let's go ahead and add like a test pass here, and let's just say that this is going to be a test. Click on enter, and let's go and click on create pass. Now, once your pass has been created, it's going to open it up. And you want to go to the top left again. And you want to go to sales. Under sales, you want to add a price for it. Let's go and make sure that it's once for sale first. And let's just say we want to receive our like 20 Robux here. And you can go ahead and enable this. Let's go and click on save changes. Click on proceed. And once you've accessed or once you've created your pass here, you go and exit your Robux account here. And you want to go ahead and open up a new browser here, and you want to go and open up Roblox. Let's go open up our browser. Now, in your browser, you want to go to roblox.com, click on continue in browser, and you want to go and log in into your account, so enter your username and your password, and go and click on login. Now, once you've logged in, what we need to do is you want to go and access your profile at the top right here, and you want to go to your creations. Let's go and press creation and access the game or experience that you recently created. But I would recommend you to basically do this instead. So let's go in this one. You want to press and hold on it. Click on open a new tab group or new tab. Open it up. Should open this up in this new page here. Go to store here, and you should see the test pass that we just recently created. So just press on it. And what you need to do is you want to go ahead. You want to go and go to your browser. So or your URL here at the very top. Just copy. Let's go and copy the URL itself and just share this to your friends. So you can just send this on Messenger or whatever platform you're having or interacting with them. So just make sure to share the link. And what does the link look like for them? So once you've sent it, let's go send this. Just to give you some idea. Let's go and send this. So send it. This is what it's going to look like. So whenever they press this button here or this link here, what they'll be seeing is a buy button. So this is what it looks like when they open this up in a browser. They just need to click on the buy button, and they'll be able to donate some Robux to you. Now, just to give some idea here, you'll only be, or the person receiving the Robux will only get like 70% of the total what they buying from here. Because 30% Roblox actually get that as a commission or something like that. That's a fee that you need to pay. But that's about it. So. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.